Are you tired of looking at properties that fall short of your expectations? Then you'll love this beautifully maintained Delwood Point home with a brand new roof. This 3-bedroom/2-bath home is sophisticated yet functional and features a split-bedroom floor plan, a 3-sided gas log fireplace between the kitchen and living area, some wood flooring, quartz countertops and stainless steel appliances in the kitchen, French doors that open to a screened porch, a built-in desk, a jetted tub in the master bath, and a 2-car garage. The sellers say this house stays extremely comfortable year-round, not too warm, not too cool, and they have a heat pump. The exterior was also recently painted and the sellers are offering a home warranty with acceptable offer. All info is approximately and must be verified by buyers if important.